Have you ever wondered what secrets the sandy shores hide beneath their sparkling surface? Today, we embark on a sandy adventure, exploring beaches far and wide. Our first stop introduces us to the joy of building sandcastles, a timeless beach activity. But not all is as it seems. A challenge arises when we find litter scattered on the sand. Together, we learn the importance of keeping our beaches clean for everyone to enjoy. Next, we dive into the waves, overcoming our fear of water with laughter and splashes. Our journey takes a turn as we discover the delicate ecosystems living beneath the waves. We learn to respect the wildlife, observing from a distance, marveling at their beauty. An unexpected find, a message in a bottle, sparking stories of pirates and treasures. As the sun sets, we gather around a bonfire, sharing tales of our beach day adventures. Our adventure teaches us the value of family bonding and creating memories together. We pledge to protect these natural wonders, ensuring they remain for generations to come. Our journey may end, but the memories and lessons will stay with us forever. Let's promise to revisit these sandy shores, continuing our adventure and exploration. Remember, every beach holds a story, waiting for us to uncover and cherish.